Welcome in this video. In this video you will learn how to upload a video on YouTube to earn money. So at first of all you must have an email. Once you have an email, sign in with your email in YouTube. After that you are able to see this sign. This sign will help you and upload your videos to monetize and earn money from this action. So click on that. After that you're able to see upload video, go live. So I already have a video on my PC. I have to upload my video to my YouTube channel. It is very simple to upload your videos in YouTube channel. So click in this, and here are my all videos. I want to upload this video, so now it will uploading my video. Yeah, here is basic information, translation, monetization, advanced settings. So until it is uploading, it is, as you can see now, it is 2%. Until it is finished, you must type here to tag finder in which issue and content is your video is. So here is the translation, and also here is the monetization to earn money from this. So you must have all these titles into your YouTube channel to earn money. So now I have to copy this and paste here. So it is a description what about your video is, and just describe your videos and which type that your video is and content is. So it will appear here video thumbnails. If you don't like thumbnails, you can make custom thumbnails. The maximum file size must be 2 MB. So maybe it is uploading. So I don't want to choose from this. I want to upload my own custom. So it is my thumbnail. Yeah, you can see it's my thumbnail I created by myself. If you want to learn how to create and make custom thumbnail, just give me a comment. I will make a video about how to make a custom thumbnail on YouTube. So it is also uploading my file, and also it is uploading my videos. As you can see here, is once the uploading is up, after that you're able to save change. Now it is processing. So it is processing is done, but I have already have playlist, so I add my video into playlist, computer tutorials and YouTube tutorials. So scroll down, your custom thumbnail will be appear. So now it's processing. The processing is done, and scroll down, here is the playlist. I have already add my video into playlist. So, and scroll down, from here you can choose your thumbnails, video thumbnails. If you don't like your custom thumbnails, video custom thumbnails, you can create your own custom thumbnails and you can change image from here, and also uploading just 2 MB. It must be 2 MBs, and upload your custom thumbnails from this side. So everything is now good. It's time to save change. So now it is finished. Now it's done. Let's check out. Just go to my channel. From here you can see my new video that I have uploaded into my channel.